Hello guys, today we are going to explain about measurement of cardiothoracic ratio and detection of cardiomegaly in X-ray images using deep learning. So in this project we are going to predict the cardiomegaly is true or false. So cardiomegaly means what? So cardiomegaly means if the heart placement is correctly is there or not. So that is meant by cardiomegaly. So we have to detect it from the X-ray images of a human being. So when we see the X-ray image of that chest image, so we can say that cardiomegaly is there or not. So by using the deep learning algorithms. So deep learning means what? So in the deep learning algorithms, we will work on the image data. So here we create the neural networks. So in neural networks we have three parts of in neural network three parts is there, like input layer and hidden layer and output layer. So input layer we are going to give the input in the form of numeric. So in the hidden layers we are going to process the input data like image data like image features. So in which direction it is, and like that we are going to detect that one. So after process all the layers, so it is given the output to the output layer. So let's see the project. So in this project, so here here we are going to import all the libraries after doing the image processing. So here we are creating the image dataset. So in this image dataset we have to pre-process the image. To work on a image dataset we have some possible steps. So we have to do the steps. So firstly we have to do the max pooling step. So in the max pooling step we have to process the image into some another form. We have to convert the image into 3-dimensional to 2-dimensional, like that. After that one we have to do the max pooling step. After that one we have to flatten that image data. So after the flattening step only we are going to give the neural network. So here these are all the steps for the image process data. So in this image process data we are going to do the image processing purpose only. So after doing the image processes, we are given that image data into the neural networks. So these are the neural network. So this is the program for the VGG16 algorithm. So after doing the VGG16 algorithm, after applying the VGG16 algorithm, we are getting the accuracy of 78%. So with 78%, the VGG16 algorithm is predicting whether the cardiomegaly is true or false. After that one, I have tried for some other algorithm also. This is the CNN algorithm. So with the CNN algorithm, it is getting only 50% of accuracy. So after that one I have tried another algorithm also. So that is named as mobile net algorithm. So by using the mobile net algorithm also I got 72% accuracy. So by comparing these three algorithms, CNN, VGG16 and mobile net, I got more accuracy in VGG16. So I have implemented the VGG16 for the front end part. So we will see the front end part for this project. So this is the front end part for the project. So our project name itself, it is saying that it is a deep learning based framework to accurately detecting the cardiomegaly from the medical imaging. So revolutioning early diagnosis and intervention of the cardiac health. So for this one we have to upload the cardiac image first, X-ray image. So here I am uploading the X-ray image. So after uploading the X-ray image, I have to select the algorithm. Here I given two algorithm options like VGG16 and MobileNet. So in both algorithms, in VGG16 I got 73% accuracy, in MobileNet I got accuracy of 72% accuracy. So I go with the VGG16 algorithm. So after giving the algorithm also, I will click on this predict button. So after clicking this one, it is saying that is true. That means cardiomegaly is there. That means that person having some cardiac issue. So like that. So for suppose if we upload another image, so if we upload some another image, so predict, so it is predicting that it is false. So if we give the image, it is predicting that whether it is a true or false. So like that, by using the deep learning algorithms, we are improving this project. Okay, thank you.